Today is June 28th, 2024. The coffee shop update, construction update. So they done with the rock work, but they still doing more rock work. So looks nice. So I think this coffee shop might be done maybe by next month. Give about July, maybe the end of July. New coffee shop will be open. The coffee shop looks nice. And so here's a new construction update. So I see they put new shingles on. And they put like gold, bronze trimming on the roof, just like the carousel. Then they painted the cabanas. So the last update 2 weeks ago, they was painting. Now I see they done painting. They about to pour cement down on concrete. So I give it about another couple more weeks, maybe probably in the middle of July, coffee shop be done. Yeah. The shop looking good. Can't wait to try out the new coffee here. It's a good addition to the park. So this is my construction update on a new coffee shop at Canobie Lake Park. Y'all new to the channel, subscribe. If you have any questions, comment below. If y'all new to the channel, subscribe. See you guys in the next update.